Hi kids, I'm Parul and I hope you all are doing well. Let's all practice yoga together, especially if you've come from school and you're extremely tired. These fun breathing practices and yoga poses will help you unwind and recharge your energies. So let's get started. So to start this practice, we will lie down on our tummy and do crocodile pose, which is very relaxing. So we are going to lie down on your tummy, rest your chin on your palms facing down. Okay.
Now let your whole body relax, relaxing your toes without moving them, just relax them, your feet, your calf muscles, your knees, your thighs. Let your legs relax. Let your hips, your back, your chest, your shoulders relax. Let your neck relax. Relax your facial muscles, relax your head, and especially let your mind relax. Whatever is going on in your mind, just let them settle in, let your thoughts settle in. Think about all the positive things that happened with you today in the school. And let go of anything that didn't make you happy. Tell yourself, all my problems have solution. And let's take 3 deep breaths together. Deep breaths will help you relax. So breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Let's do this 2 more times. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out through your nose. One more. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out through your nose. Now bend your legs back and just gently move side to side. Swinging your legs side to side and just keep breathing. Do this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend your legs back. Let's come in baby cobra now. So coming on your forearms like this. So baby cobra is really relaxing for your lower back, especially if you have had heavy back at the back. This pose will really help you relax your lower back. So stay in baby cobra and breathe. Just press into your palms, lift your heart, relax your shoulders, keep breathing, relax your neck. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lower down your chest and we are going to do cobra breathing. So you're going to rest your palms underneath your shoulders and come up. Breathe in and breathe out. Lower down your chest. Say what? Hiss. We do this 2 more times. Up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hiss. 1 more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Hiss. And from here, you're going to press into your palms. Lift your chest up. Another way to do cobra pose. Breathe. Really helping you to release the tension from your lower back. Breathe. And then slowly come on your knees. Get your knees in. And we come in all 4 positions. So in all 4 positions, your wrist is underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips, and we are going to do cat and cow pose, which is really relaxing for your spine and your lower back and for your neck. So how we do that? Just drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. Let's do this 2 more times. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, look at your belly button. Take your chin to the chest. One more time. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. And then you get your spine to neutral position. Now you're going to move your hips from right to left like this. So again, really relaxing for your hips. Just move from right to left slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you change. So you can make small circles or big circles. Changing to other side, left to right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, from cat and cow, we are going to go in downward dog. So downward dog is a great pose for stretching your upper body and your lower body. So let's all practice downward dog together. So you're going to press into your palms, open your fingers wide, take your wrists slightly ahead of your shoulders, tuck your toes, knees up, hips up, push your hips up and back. Push your chest towards your legs. Maybe your legs are fully straightened, maybe they are bent, that's really okay. If your heels are not reaching the ground, that's also fine. Just focus on taking your chest towards your legs. Breathe, keep pressing into your palms, keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your knees down, and from downward dog, we're going to get into puppy pose. So, you're just going to lower down your chest, rest your chin down, lift your hips up, your hips stay over your knees, you are breathing. Really a great pose for opening your upper body, releasing the tension from your shoulders. Breathe. So when we are going school, we are holding our heavy school bags. So build a lot of tension in our shoulders. So this is a great stretch for releasing the tension from your shoulders. Stay here, keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your palms in, and we come on all 4 position, and from here we go back in downward dog. Knees up, hips up, push your chest towards your legs, breathe. Take one big breath here, breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your nose. And from downward dog, we're going to go in frog pose. So you're going to step your right leg outside your right hand, and same with your left leg, like this. And you're going to take your arms up, join your palms together, press into your palms, push your knees out with your elbows. And this is so relaxing. It will help you release the tension that would have built in your legs, your hips, and it's also very energizing. So hold this for a few seconds, keep breathing. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly release, and we come in cross-legged position. Crisscross applesauce, and sit straight. Now you're going to put your hands on your shoulders, okay? And you're going to take your elbows back, shoulder rolls. So another stretch to release the tension from your shoulders, because we build in so much tension here with our heavy bags. And let's change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's move side to side like this. Swish, swish, swish. Imagine yourself like a washing machine. So just moving side to side,
twisting. It's really good again for our lower back. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come back to the center. And now we are going to imagine drawing rainbows in the sky and stretch our side body. So you're going to rest your right palm down, take your left arm over your ears, breathe, and switch side. So left hand down, right arm over your ears. Keep breathing. Do this one more time. Change your side and to the other side. And then come back to the center. And now let's release our neck. We build so much stress in our neck with the increase in screen time these days. So let's start. Take your left hand, put it on the right side of your head like this, and then you just take your head to the left. And just release your right arm. And just press your right palm out like you're trying to press into something imaginary. And just enjoy the stretch for your neck. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And then you come back to the center, release your left hand and let's switch side. Take your right hand, put it on the left side of your head, lean your head to the right and stretch the left side of your neck. Release your left arm, press your left palm out, breathe. Stay here. Breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, get your head to neutral position, release your right hand. So I hope you're feeling good in your neck and shoulders now, and your whole body is also feeling relaxed and your energy levels are slightly better now. So we are going to end this practice in child pose. So child pose is a very relaxing pose and it's really good when you're extremely tired and great to do after your school. You can also do child pose whenever you feel stressed or anxious. So let's practice child pose together and we're going to end the practice in child pose. So you're going to come on your knees like this and you're going to take your hips towards your heels. You're going to relax your toes. And you're going to stretch your arms forward like this. And you will rest your forehead closer to the mat, or maybe your forehead will rest on the mat. So whatever is comfortable for you, just breathe. Stretch your arms all the way forward. Take your weight back towards your hips. Stay in child pose for a few seconds. Make sure you're breathing. And you can also roll gently side to side, massaging your forehead. Breathe. And then you gently stop swinging. Take your palms in and sit in cross-legged position again. So we are done with our practice for today, kids. I will see you again in the next lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's session and you're feeling energetic and relaxed. Thank you so much. Namaste.